Have you ever just stopped and thought about how wild it is that we can talk? I mean, you just make sentences effortlessly. But underneath all of that, there's a hidden blueprint, a set of rules so deep inside your mind you don't even know you're following them. So let's dive in and uncover this invisible architecture of language. Okay, look at this. You have no clue what gripe notes are. You've never heard the word T-check. They're totally made up. And yet, instantly, that the sentence on the left feels right. It has the correct shape for an English sentence. The one on the right, though, it's just a jumbled mess. How is that even possible? That right there is the mystery. Your brain is running this incredibly complex program to put words together in the right order, following a blueprint for every single thing you say. So, what exactly is this blueprint? All right, the most obvious place to start looking for clues is word order. I mean, the sequence of words has to matter, right? In English, we tend to follow a pretty standard subject-verb-object pattern. A sentence like, Amel ate chocolate just sounds right because it follows that flow. You've got your subject, Amel, you've got your verb, ate, and your object, chocolate. SVO. Seems simple enough. But hold on. Chocolate ate Amal also follows that subject-verb-object pattern, but it means something completely bizarre. So, while SVO is definitely part of the blueprint, it can't be the whole story. There has to be something deeper going on. And that leads us to our next big clue. See, language isn't just a flat string of words. It's about how words team up to work together in groups, these little word teams. Let's use this sentence to hunt for these teams. The students saw a movie about dinosaurs. Seems pretty straightforward on the surface, but inside this sentence, words are forming little squads. So let's zoom in on this chunk right here, a movie about dinosaurs. Does your brain treat those 5 words as one cohesive unit? And how could we possibly prove that? Well, linguists have this awesome, super simple tool called the replacement test. All you do is you take the group of words you're looking at and you try to swap the whole thing out for a single pronoun, like it or they. If the sentence still works, boom, you found a word team. So let's run the test. The students saw it. Yep, that works perfectly. This is real proof that our brains don't just see 5 random words there. It sees one single functional thing, a movie about dinosaurs. And now you know the lingo. The official term for these word teams is constituents. And this is a huge revelation. It means sentences aren't built word by word, they're built block by block, with these constituents as the building blocks. Okay, so if sentences are made of teams, that begs the next question. Every team needs a leader, a captain, right? So what's the most important word inside each of these constituents, the one that gives the whole team its identity? That team captain is called the head. In our team, a movie about dinosaurs, the most important word, the head, is the noun movie. So that makes the whole constituent a noun phrase. In a phrase like ate chocolate, the head is the verb ate, which makes it a verb phrase. It's simple. The head calls the shots and names the team. And this is where your brain does something that is just mind-blowing. This whole system of heads and phrases allows for nesting. We can literally put phrases inside of other phrases, which lets us build infinitely complex sentences from these very simple parts. Check this out. We start with a simple noun phrase, a baby panda. Now we can tuck that inside another noun phrase, videos of a baby panda. And we can even go one level deeper, these videos of a baby panda sneezing. Do you see how a baby panda is nested deep inside that bigger structure? That's the creative engine of language right there. So why does any of this matter? What's the big payoff? It's this. By finding these constituents and their team captains, we've basically uncovered the design schematics for our hidden linguistic blueprint. And here's the big aha moment. A sentence is not a flat string of beads. It's a tree. It has depth, it has branches, it's a hierarchical structure with layers, and your brain builds this insanely complex thing instantly, without you even thinking about it, every single time you talk. And get this, while the blueprint itself is universal, the layout can change. English is head initial. That means our team captain, the verb ate, comes before its object. But in a language like Japanese, it's the opposite. It's head final. The object, ringo, or apple, comes before its captain, tabata, or ate. Same deep structure, just a different floor plan. And that's the whole point. This ability to build these structures isn't just a bunch of boring grammar rules from a textbook. It's a deep, powerful computational system that's hardwired into our brains. It's a fundamental, universal part of what makes us human.
So it really makes you wonder, doesn't it? If language has this invisible architecture shaping every thought we share, what other hidden blueprints are running in the background, shaping how you see and understand your world every single day?